Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Sudarshan and you are watching the Leap Programmer. So in this video, we are going to see what is a IntStream and how we can use the IntStream in our day-to-day life for problem solving. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before we begin and before we write the code inside the IntelliJ, I want to tell you what is the IntStream. So IntStream is an interface from the Java 8. It is a feature of Stream API, and this interface have a lot of utility method that any programmer can use. No matter if you are a fresher or any working professional, if you don't have the understanding of what is a IntStream, then this is a complete tutorial for you to understand how you can use the IntStream and its utility method in your day-to-day life for programming, for doing the functional programming, for reducing the line of code from your Java program, and for code optimization. Because this is the most important topic and this is commonly asked inside the interviews. So if you don't have the understanding of IntStream, I will strongly suggest you to please listen to this lecture. Please watch this lecture. This lecture will give you the understanding how you can use the IntStream in your day-to-day life for programming. So I have written few points that how you ways of creating IntStream. Second point is aggregated function and Boolean functions, conversion functions. So we are going to see these points one by one. So before we see these points, the IntStream, what is the IntStream? So IntStream is a you can consider it as a container which is holding the sequence of integer values. On that sequence, you can perform the aggregated functions and some other functions. Those are already defined inside the Stream API. For using the Stream IntStream, we have the IntStream from the java.util.stream package, and for defining the IntStream, we have the off method. And with off method, you can write the values inside the off method manually, and you can store these with one variable whose name is IntStream, and you can print all the values of IntStream with the for each method. So you can use the for each method which is already defined inside the Stream API. So I can use the system dot out double colon println. So this is a way of using the for each loop, and this will replace your traditional for each loop. And as soon as I run this, you can see all the values are printed on the output screen, and these are the values of our IntStream. So there are many more ways of creating the IntStream. If you are interested to convert your array inside the IntStream, what you needs to do, you have to pass the reference of your array inside the of method. So right now we have converted our array inside the IntStream, and if I run this, as you can see, all the values are printed on the output screen. We have converted our array inside the IntStream. There is one more way of creating the IntStream from the list if you are working with the collection, because the Stream API is mostly used with the collection. So when you are working with the collection, when you are working with the list, how you can convert your list inside the IntStream. For converting your IntStream inside the for converting your stream inside the uh, converting your list inside the stream, there is one method, like you can directly use the list dot stream method on the list, and you can store that result inside the end stream. So let me just remove this. You need to store this inside stream of integer. So I'm going to store the result inside the one local variable whose type is stream of integer, and we are printing all the values of int stream. So let me just write the name of this variable as a int stream. Done. Everything is done, and we are printing. Let me just list dot stream, and let me just store it inside one variable stream, and let's use stream dot for each method. And as soon as I run this, as you can see, we have converted our list inside the int stream, and we have printed that stream on the output screen with the help of for each method. There is another way of using the for each method. Inside the for each method, instead of writing system.out.println, what you can use the lambda function, and over here you can write the system dot out dot println, and inside that you need to write the variable name, that is a integer. Right now in our case we have written the variable name as a integer, and as soon as I run these, it will give me the same output on the output screen. As you can see, we got the same output on the output screen. So this is the way of this is another way of using the for each. Inside this you can use the lambda function. So there is another way of creating the end stream from the builder method. So with the builder method we can create the end stream and empty end stream. So I can use the builder dot build method, and this will give us the empty stream with the name of IntStream. So we have written the variable name as IntStream, and if I print this IntStream dot for with the for each method, right now there in the IntStream there is no any value, so this will print the empty stream on the output screen. As you can see, after the IntStream tutorial there is no any value printed on the output screen. So this is another way of creating the IntStream from the builder method. So there is another way of creating the IntStream. If you are interested to create the IntStream from 1 to 100, if you want that, you want the IntStream to be created from 1 to 100 value, and you don't want that you should add the values manually inside the array, or you should write the values manually. What you can do, you can use the IntStream.range method, and inside that just pass the range from where to where you want the IntStream of integer, and just store this result inside one variable whose name is IntStream. And I can use the IntStream dot for each method, and as soon as I run this, as you can see, from 1 to 99 all the values are printed. But right now you have one question, like, Sudarshan, why the value 100 is not printed on the output screen? That is because this range function is a the last value is an exclusive value. In order to convert that last value inside the inclusive, you have one method like range close method. So let me just use the range close method, range closed, and as soon as I run this right now, this will include the 100 value also on the output screen. As you can see, the 100 value is also included in our stream. So this is a way, another way of creating the end stream. If you are there is another way also of creating the end stream. If you are interested not in giving any value to your stream, you want that the your stream should create the values for you automatically. For doing that, you have one method like generate, and inside that there is one lambda function, and in the lambda function there is one class like thread local random, something like that, thread local random. And we are going to use current next int for creating the next int value integer values, and I'm passing the limit as a 5. So right now what we have done over here, I can tell you, we have used a random class for creating the random values for us. So the generate method will create the random values for us, and we are going to print all that values on the output screen with the help of for each method. So I can write for each, for each, and inside that I can use system dot out double colon println, and I can run as I can run this. You can see on the output screen, we got the 5 values, and in that 5 values there is one value which is a negative. So you can get the negative and positive values, though these are the some random value generated by your generate method. So these are the ways of creating the int stream. So we have seen all the ways of creating the int stream. The most commonly used, these are the most commonly used methods. With this method you can create your int stream. So right now what I can do, I can I can use the int stream of array. So I can convert int stream. Let me just create one int stream. Int stream, int stream. I can give the name as int stream, and I can use the int stream dot off, and inside that I can pass the array reference. So right now for a test, for doing some operation, we are converting our array inside the int stream, and we are going to perform some operations, aggregated functions on these. So right now we are covering the second point, that is aggregated function. So we have some aggregated functions like if you are interested to find out which is a maximum value your end stream is holding. For finding out which is the maximum value your end stream is holding, you have one method like max, and you can store that result inside one max variable, and you can print that max on the output screen. Sout is the short form for writing system.out.println on in the IntelliJ. So as soon as I run this will give me the maximum value from my stream. So 7 is the maximum value, it is given on the output screen. So for finding out which is a minimum value, right now my end stream is holding. For doing that, we have one method like minimum, and I can write minimum variable name as over here, and I can print that minimum on the output screen. So as soon as I run this will give me the minimum value on the output screen. As you can see, 1 is the minimum value, it is printed on the output screen. So this is the way of finding maximum and minimum from your end stream. For finding out what is the count of your end stream, if you are interested to find out what is the count of your end stream, you can also find out the count of your end stream. For finding that, you have one method count, and you can store that result inside one long data type, and you can print that count on the output screen. So I can write the count, and as soon as I run this, as you can see on the output screen, the we have the 8 elements inside our end stream. If I count over here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is 8. So we have the 8 elements over here, and we have found out that the in our end stream right now there are 8 elements. So for finding out what is sum of our end stream, for finding out this sum, we have one method like sum. The name of method is a sum, and I can name these as variable as a result, and I can print that result over here. And as soon as I run this will give me the sum of my end stream, that is a 34. It is printed on the output screen. So the as you can see, we can also find out the sum of our end stream. For finding out the average of our end stream, we have one method like average, and that will find out the average of our end stream, and the data type of this is a optional double. So as soon as I run this will give me the average of my end stream. As you can see, 4.25, this is the average of my int stream. There is one more function which is left inside the aggregated function, that is a distinct. For finding out the distinct element from your stream, you have one method like distinct, and you can use the distinct, and you can store the result in one variable distinct, or you can directly print. You can use the directly for each method over here in front of distinct also. So you can use the for each, and inside that you can directly write system dot out double colon println. And as soon as I run this will give me the distinct element from the end stream. So this is giving me the new stream which is having only distinct element. So as you can see, there is no any duplicate element printed on the output screen. So this is a way of printing the distinct element on the output screen. If you are interested to print all the elements in the sorted order right now, uh, these elements are already in the sorted order. Let me add one element which is having one value 9 in front of them. So right now this will print the all the stream in the sorted order with having distinct element. So all the elements, sorry, let me write the for each loop also, for printing system dot out double colon println. So as soon as I run, this will print the new stream which is having distinct element, and those elements are sorted. So from ascending to descending, as you can see, all the elements are the distinct element and they are sorted in the ascending to descending order. So this is a way of printing all the distinct element in the sorted order. So we have seen sorted function also. So this is also most commonly used function. So right now we are going to see the Boolean functions. Those are which are the Boolean functions are available inside our IntStream. For using that, what I can do, let me just remove this, and we have one more function like all match. And inside the all match, we can have the one lambda function, and over here I can write value less than or equal to 9. So, and I can store the result inside one boolean variable, and I can print that boolean variable on the output screen. So right now in the all match, we have written one predict, that we have written like check in our end stream. There are all the check all the values are less than or equal to 9 or not. If our int stream, original int stream having the all the values which are less than or equal to 9, then print the true on the output screen. Otherwise, all match will return the false. As you can see, as soon as I run this, all match will satisfy the condition. He will find all the matching condition inside our int stream, and he will print the true on the output screen. So all match printed true on the output screen. If you are interested in checking only one match, so you have any match method, and inside that you can write only any one match, my one matching condition. Like I can write the 2. So in any match, I have written like check in our end stream, is there any value which is less than 2? If the our end stream, or I can write less check is there any value in our end stream which is less than 3? If the any match will find any value which is less than 3, then it will print the true on the output screen. So it will check for only one value. Right now there are two values, so any match will check is there any one value which is less than 3. So he will find the 2 as a available value, and he will print the true on the output screen. So as soon as I run this, as you can see, any match printed true on the output screen. So we have one more method like none match, and inside the none match you have to give the non-matching condition. Like in the non-matching condition I have written in the non-matching I have written like check in our end stream, is there any value which is less than 1? If there is no any value which is less than 1, then none match will return true. Otherwise none match will return false. So as soon as I run this, as you can see, none match printed true on the output screen. If I change the condition, like I can, if I write the 2 in the none match, it will print the false, because none match will find the one value which is less than 2, and none match will not satisfy the condition, and none match return false on the output screen. So as you can see, it is written false on the output screen. We have main two functions. There is one more point left, that is a filter and map. So these are the main two functions which are mostly used in the industry right now. So what we can do, we can perform the IntStream dot filter operation. Inside the filter, we have to use the lambda function, where we write the predicate condition. Like I can write the value mod by 2 equals to 0, and I can store this result. I can store this result inside one new variable whose name I have given as a stream, and I can write the stream dot for each loop, stream dot for each system dot out dot println. So in the filter, I have written one condition, and like give me the all the values which are mod by 2, whose result is equals to 0. So this will filter all the values, and this will give the new stream whose name is a stream, and in that stream we will get the only even values. So we have filtered the result and we will get the filter result on the output screen. So as you can see in the new stream, we got all the one values from our end stream. So if I change in a condition over here like not equals to 0, so this will give us the odd all the odd numbers on the output screen. So inside the filter method, you can write any condition, like your value is all give me the all the values which are greater than 5. So this will give you the new stream which is holding all the values greater than 5. So as you can see, all the new stream having all the values which are greater than 5. So in the filter you can write any condition, and that we filter will what filter can do, filter will filter that all the values, and it will give you the new result on in the new stream. And there is one more method, main method, that is a map method. And inside map there is one lambda function, you can use that. And over here what we are going to do, we are going to map our old values to the new values. So right now what I am writing over here, I'm writing that give me the all the values square. So the old stream that we have, this is a old stream that we have, that array we have converted into the in stream. And we in the new stream what we have written, we have mapped all the values, old values, to the square of values. So as soon as I run this, I will get the new stream which is holding the square of all the elements. So as you can see, we got the new stream which is holding the square of all the elements. So this is a way of using the map. So you can use the map, and inside the map you can write any condition, and you can map your old elements to the new element. So you can write the any condition over here. We have one more method, like the conversion functions. If you are interested to convert your int stream into the stream of integer, for converting the int stream into the stream of integer, you have one method like boxed, and you can store the result inside one variable whose data type is stream. So stream of integer, we have stored the result inside stream of integer, and we can use the box dot for each method. And you can write the system dot. Let's do not use the for each method. Instead of that, we can use the iterator. So let's iterator, and I will show you how you can iterate without for each method. So over here you need to write, let me just store above result inside the iterator, and variable iterator dot has next, sorry, okay, iterator dot has next. Till that, we are going to print all the values, and we can write iterator dot next int. Next, let me just iterator dot next int. There's we have one method like next int. Why it is not coming over here? Let me just check once. While braces. Okay, I don't know why it is not coming over here. Let's use the for each loop right now, and I will show you how you can use the iterator. Uh, just use the right now box dot for each method, and right now you can use the system dot out dot out double colon println. And as soon as I run this will give me the same output, but the all the values are converted into the stream of integer. So let's, as you can see on the output screen, all the values are converted into the stream of integer. If you are interested to convert your integer int stream into the stream of string, so you can also convert that in the stream of string. For converting your int stream into the stream of string, you have one method like map to object. and you can use that. Over there we have one lambda function, and over here I'm writing one hi, and in front of I am writing the value, concatenating the value, and I'm printing the result on the output screen. So right now on the output screen, we will get the stream of string values on the output screen. As you can see, we have converted the int stream into the stream of string. So before we end this video, I will show you how you can use the iterator also. So let's use the IntStream dot iterator, and I will store this result inside the iterator of int whose type is of int, and I will write the while iterator dot has next. I can print all the values iterator dot next int. So as soon as I run this, and this will iterate over all the values, and we will get the end stream printed on the output screen. So this is another way of using the iterator. This is a way of using iterator. Instead of printing your end stream with the help of for each, you can print your end stream with the help of iterator also. So these are the most commonly used methods from the end stream. And if you have any doubt, you can directly contact me on the Telegram community. I'm going to give the link of Telegram community in the description. So if you have any doubt, you can contact me there. We will have the one-to-one session, and I will see you in the next session where we can see how we can use the double stream for the programming, for reducing our code into the one line. So see you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.